If you're seeing the OneNote error that says another account from your organization is already signed in and it keeps coming back even after you disconnect the profile, don't worry, there is a fix. In this video, I'm going to show you how to clear Microsoft's hidden authentication tokens and remove the cached credentials that can cause this problem. This is a simple troubleshooting method, and it can often get OneNote working again when normal sign-out steps do not. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes. Alright, let's jump right in. First, make sure OneNote is completely closed, not just minimized, it's fully closed. And while you're at it, close any other Microsoft Office apps that might be open, like Word, Excel, Outlook, or PowerPoint. This is important because these apps can keep authentication data active in the background. Once everything is closed, press the Windows key and the R key together to open the Run dialog box. In the Run box, paste this path exactly, %local app data, %\Microsoft \OneAuth. Then press Enter. This opens the folder where Microsoft stores modern authentication data. Now delete everything inside this OneAuth folder. If Windows asks for confirmation, approve it. This step removes cached sign-in information that may be forcing OneNote to think another organization account is still active. Next, press Windows key plus R again to open Run one more time. This time, paste this path, %local app data, %\Microsoft \IdentityCache. Press Enter, and when the folder opens, delete all the files and folders inside it as well. The IdentityCache folder stores more sign-in token data, and clearing it helps force Microsoft apps to rebuild fresh credentials the next time you sign in. After that, open the Start menu and search for Credential Manager. Open it, then click on Windows Credentials. Scroll down until you find the Generic Credentials section. Here, look for any saved entries that contain names like Microsoft Office 16, Microsoft Identity, or AAD-Auth. These are common Microsoft authentication entries that can trigger account conflicts in OneNote. Remove each one of those entries carefully. If you see multiple matching credentials, delete all of them. Once that is done, close Credential Manager and restart your computer to make sure all authentication data is fully cleared from memory. After the restart, open OneNote again and sign in with the correct account. In many cases, the error will be gone, and OneNote will stop prompting for the wrong organization account. If you still use Microsoft Office across multiple accounts, take a moment to verify that you are signing in with the right work or school profile and that no old account is being reused in the background. This fix is especially useful when OneNote gets stuck in a loop, keeps asking for credentials, or refuses to sync because it believes another account from your organization is already in use. If this tutorial saved you time, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.